Good morning, Dr. Nwogu. I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
Not at all, Sarah. Come on in. How can I help you today?
I've been studying cell division, particularly mitosis, and I was hoping to get a clearer understanding. Do you have a few minutes?
Absolutely, Sarah. Mitosis is an essential concept. Feel free to ask any questions you have.
Great. So, to start, can you briefly explain what mitosis is?
Certainly. Mitosis is the process of cell division that results in two genetically identical daughter cells. It's crucial for growth, repair, and maintenance of the body. There are several stages in mitosis, each with distinct events.
That makes sense. What are the stages of mitosis, and what happens in each stage?
Mitosis consists of four main stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase, the chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes, the nuclear envelope breaks down, and spindle fibers begin to form. Metaphase is when the chromosomes align along the cell's equator, called the metaphase plate. The spindle fibers attach to the centromeres of the chromosomes. During anaphase, the sister chromatids separate and move towards opposite poles of the cell. This ensures that each daughter cell will receive an identical set of chromosomes. Finally, in telophase, the separated chromatids reach opposite poles, and a new nuclear envelope forms around each set of chromosomes. The cell then undergoes cytokinesis, splitting into two distinct cells.
Got it! How does mitosis differ from meiosis?
Excellent question. While both processes involve cell division, mitosis produces two identical diploid cells, maintaining the chromosome number. Meiosis, on the other hand, is involved in the formation of gametes, sperm and egg cells, and results in four genetically unique haploid cells.
That clarifies things. And one last thing. Why is mitosis so important for the body?
Mitosis is crucial for growth, tissue repair, and maintaining a constant number of cells in the body. It ensures that cells can divide and replace damaged or dying cells, contributing to overall health and development.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nwogu. This helps a lot.
You're welcome, Sarah. If you ever have more questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Understanding these fundamental processes is essential in medicine.